Hello guys, welcome back again to Xfinity. I am extremely sorry for the late video as I was not feeling well for the past few days. But now I am perfectly fine and I hope you are also safe and sound. Well, today I will show you how to fix your system hardware does not support hardware acceleration for the current settings error in Premiere Pro. This problem was asked by one of you and I did some research on it and found out something useful to share with you guys. So let's dive straight into it and fix this issue. Alright fellas, so let's get straight to the point and fix the error that I have shown you previously. And first of all, in order to resolve this issue, you need to dive into Premiere Pro. Alright, so once you are inside the Premiere Pro, what you need to do, you need to go to edit, you need to go to preferences, and then you need to select media. And here you can see two options here, H264 HEVC hardware accelerated decoding and hardware accelerated encoding. Make sure both are selected. Okay, it is very important both are selected. If you are unable to see these options here, then it is also a solution. What you need to do, you need to press Ctrl F12 or CMD F12 in Mac. Once you hit the target buttons like Ctrl F12, you will see a pop-up as you can see here, and you need to write HW for hardware and make sure export MPEG simulate bad hardware driver for export is set to false. If you set this to true, you will not see the options that I have shown you previously. Let me show you. If I set this to true and go back to edit, preferences and media, as you can see I cannot access these options anymore. So you need to make sure the specific field is set to false. Okay, let us go back again by pressing Ctrl F12 and let's write HW and make sure exporter MPEG simulate bad hardware driver for export is selected to false. Okay, and now we can go to edit, preferences and media, and as you can see here both options are selected. Once these options are selected, you will solve your problem of hardware encoding, hardware acceleration is not supported for the current settings. You can solve this problem by selecting these options. And after that, what you need to do, once you have finished your editing and you want to export your video, you need to go to export media, and here make sure you have selected HEVC H.265. okay, and the source is you can select any here, 1080, 4K and something. Let me select 1080. You should see the option here, hardware encoding enabled. So this is a quick fix on how you can select this, and you need to make sure the target bitrate is maximum. Okay, do not select CBR, select VBR 1 pass because it will allow hardware encoding. And you can also select the quality higher, I recommend higher, and once you are done you can simply export it. Okay, so that is a quick fix on how to fix your system hardware does not support the GPU acceleration for the current setting, hardware acceleration for the current settings. So this is the solution, and I hope you find this video useful. If you have any queries, you can follow me on Instagram and directly, or you can comment down below in the comment sections. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.